Have you ever wondered what really makes a blender great? Is it raw power, versatility, or just how silky smooth it makes your morning smoothie? Well, today we're going to dive deep into the 5 best blenders in 2025. Whether you're blending green smoothies, crushing ice, or whipping up soup like a kitchen wizard, we've tested and compared the specs, features, and real-world results so you don't have to. And if you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below, and if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Kicking things off at number 5, we have the Ninja BN701 Professional Plus, a budget-friendly beast that doesn't skimp on power. With a jaw-dropping 1400-watt motor, this blender practically dares you to toss in the toughest ingredients, such as ice, frozen fruit, fibrous greens, and more. One tap on the pre-programmed smoothie button, and you'll see it pulse and pause before unleashing full-blown blending fury, delivering a thick, milkshake-like texture that rivals high-end machines. The Smart Pour spout is a game-changer for clean, easy serving, and that locking lid mechanism adds a nice layer of safety and confidence. Plus, the 72-ounce capacity means you're covered for everything from solo shakes to family batches. It's also surprisingly easy to clean. Just add warm water and a bit of soap, run it on high, and boom, you are done. But it's not whisper quiet, especially when it's tearing through ice, but that's the sound of serious power. If you're new to blending or just want amazing value without spending a fortune, this Ninja is your perfect entry point. Coming next at number 4, we've got the Ninja BL610 Professional, our pick for the best large-capacity blender. This one delivers 1,000 watts of crushing power wrapped in a sleek, no-nonsense design that's surprisingly affordable for its size. It's tailor-made for big batch lovers like meal preppers, smoothie sharers, or party hosts. The 72-ounce pitcher can handle everything from icy margaritas to chunky salsa, and the manual controls give you total freedom to choose texture and speed. What really makes this one shine is the blade design. It's engineered for total crushing, meaning it blitzes ice and frozen fruit into velvety goodness without breaking a sweat. Despite its powerful performance, it's relatively compact and fits well on most countertops. If you've been disappointed by underpowered blenders in the past, this one's going to feel like a kitchen upgrade you didn't know you needed. Whether you're fueling your fitness routine or mixing drinks for friends, the BL610 is big, bold, and brilliantly dependable. Next at number 3, we have the Breville BSB510XL, a top-tier immersion blender for those who want power and flexibility without sacrificing counter space. This isn't just for soups, though it will puree them into liquid silk. It's for everything from homemade mayonnaise to smoothies and even light food processing. What sets it apart is the 15-speed variable control and ergonomic grip, letting you adjust the intensity with surgical precision. It demolishes ice in under a minute, turns chia seeds into pudding-smooth blends in under 2, and its scratch-resistant base means you can blend directly in any pot or bowl without fear. It also comes with some seriously useful accessories, such as a 42-ounce blending jug, a 25-ounce chopping bowl, and a whisk attachment for cream and eggs. And while it's a bit louder at higher speeds, it makes up for that in performance. For small kitchens or anyone who loves multifunction tools, this is a space-saving superhero. It's great for home cooks who want pro-level results without investing in a full-sized machine. Coming in at number 2 is the Ninja S101 Foodie, our favorite pick for personal blenders. This little compact and powerful dynamo is designed for people who love convenience but don't want to compromise on performance. Its standout feature is the Smoothie Bowl Maker Cup, which includes a built-in tamper so you can create thick, creamy blends without adding extra liquid. That means you get perfectly thick smoothie bowls, peanut butter, or frozen treats every time. It even handles margaritas like a champ, smooth, sugar-integrated, and no gritty surprises. The suction base keeps it steady on your counter, and its Auto IQ presets let you just press a button and let it handle the rest. It includes 3 blending cups, one 14-ounce smoothie bowl maker, and 2 24-ounce blender jars with to-go lids, making it ideal for both at-home creations and on-the-go nutrition. It's weighing just 6.5 pounds, and it's easy to store and doesn't hog precious space. If you're someone who loves smoothies, dips, spreads, or just wants a powerful portable option, the Ninja S101 is a personal powerhouse you'll love to use daily. Finally, at the number 1, we have the Vitamix 5200, the gold standard in blending. This machine is pure performance, no gimmicks at all, just a high-torque motor paired with one of the most effective container designs out there. The 64-ounce tall pitcher creates a self-suctioning vortex that pulls every bit of your ingredients into the stainless steel blades, ensuring super smooth results even with fibrous veggies and thick nut butters. What's incredible is how quietly it handles heavy-duty tasks, thanks to its radial cooling fan and thermal protection system. It's built to go the distance blending for long sessions without overheating or slowing down. The variable speed dial offers total control, and there's no need for complicated buttons. Whether you're blending hot soup, grinding coffee, or making frozen desserts, this blender handles it with absolute ease. It may cost more, but for anyone serious about blending or meal prep, this is a one-time investment that pays off every day. The Vitamix 5 2000 isn't just a kitchen appliance, it's a culinary game changer.